Welcome to Pinkboard. Today we are going to see the summary of the third level, which is written by Jack Finney. So here, before we go to this lesson, the summary, we need to know about what is level. So what are the different levels which are available. So here, this is Grand Central Station. So this in the ground level, we will have the ticket counters and we will have the board to display the timing, that is what is the arrival timing of a particular time and all those. And when you go further down through the steps, you can reach the first level. So here we can find the trains which are moving away, and from there if we go down further with another staircase, we could able to find the second level. So in this place also we will find the trains which are moving. So what is the difference between the first level and the second level is this. The trains from the first level will take you to the longer distance, whereas in this level the trains to the shorter distance. That is what we call it as within the city. So after this we have the subway. Okay, this will have the corridors and then staircases and all those. So directly from this ground level you can go to the subway and you can use this way if you feel like this that is first level and the second level are busy with people. So you can use this place to walk peacefully or to reach home quickly. So you have to get down to this subway and you have to in the same way raise up using a staircase which is available there. So when you take the characters, we are having three characters. One is Charlie and the other one is Louisa and Sam. Actually Charlie is a narrator and Louisa is his wife, and Sam Weiner, he is a psychiatrist, is a friend of Charlie. So here, as only two levels are available, Charlie is telling that he went to the third level. Okay, he came across third level in the Grand Central Station. So he is informing that to Sam, the psychiatrist. You know what the psychiatrist is suggesting? It is just a waking dream wish fulfillment. So if there is any unfulfilled wish in our real world, that will seems to be fulfilled in our dream. So that's how you might have got this. So we are living in a world which is full of insecurity, fear, stress and all those, and you might have thought to escape from that real world, and that's why you would have reached this third level. That's how Sam Weiner suggested. And also he told that you are a good stamp collector, and that stamp collection is also a refuge from reality, an escape from reality. So that's how he is suggesting. But Charlie is telling, actually on the day when I went inside the third level, I am not having any intention to escape from the real world. Actually what happened on that day is I was bit late in starting from my office. I had some work and I need to finish it, and I started very late from my office. I don't want to use this busy area, so I selected this subway to reach my home as early as possible to meet my wife Louisa, who is alone there in the apartment. And here it is told that always the subway will be confusing. So whenever I am using this, sometimes I will go far away from my house and I will rise up. So sometimes I might get in the staircase which is bit earlier to my house. So I have never reached my house on the correct spot. So it always obviously will acquire some time, and then here what happens is it is always confusing. So here it is built up with new staircases all the time. So on that day when he was using this subway, he found that there is a way which is somewhat on his left. He selected it and he was going inside it. It seems to be so dark and he could able to hear his own footsteps. Okay, and it is very clear that he is all alone there, no one else is found, and from there he could able to find some steps are leading downwards. Okay, we can see that already he is in the last level or in the last ground. So from there it is leading downwards. How it is possible? If at all we are in the ground level or in the first level or in the second level, there is possibility of having some staircases to go down. But here from this subway there is a step which is leading downwards, and he used that to move, and when he was nearing, he could able to feel that some people are talking and some brightness is there over, and with confusion he is just proceeding. He found that there is a Grand Central Station like this, but there is difference between these two. And what are the differences are, here we have so many ticket counters, but in the third level railway station, Grand Central Station, only few ticket counters are there, and a man is wearing an eye shade, a green color eye shade, and then the light what he is using seems to be flickering. Flickering is nothing but moving. And when he went in to see what is that, okay, it is a open flame glass light, and then he is turning around and something, a flash of light, he could able to catch the glimpse of it, and that is nothing but a man who has taken a golden watch from his pocket and he opened it to see the time, and he could able to come across spit-ons. Spit-ons is nothing but where we can spit our saliva. So that spit-ons were kept over there. So many were kept, and now the man who is looking at the watch is frowning. Okay, it seems that the train is late, and by the time he realized that all the people who are there by the time are in seems to be like people in different century, as if they are wearing different sort of dress than him, and that's how he noticed. And he found that men are having big large mustaches and then beard and then the sideburns. He haven't seen people having so big as this. And he came across a woman, okay, who is wearing a mutton sleeves. The sleeve seems to be like big enough like a mutton, and then the skirt what she is wearing has still her foot. So it seems to be like people who are in old fashioned dress. And when he happened to see that woman, he could able to see that a locomotive, a train is passing by her side, okay, and that is having a funnel shaped one. So this we can find then only a very old locomotive. So he thought that, am I there in a different year, okay, different century? So he want to test that. So for that he went near a paper boy who is selling papers. So the name of the paper is The World. It is written as The World. Actually this magazine, this newspaper has been stopped publishing many years before, and now he could able to find a boy selling that. And what is the date of publication is June 11, 1894. Yes, that's right. Obviously he is there in a different place. And now he thought about Illinois, the place Illinois. He thought that during that time the place seems to be so beautiful with frame houses, and then men sitting in the evening and enjoying their time, and then women sat together and having a palm leaf fan in their hand and enjoying their time outside. So he thought that why can't I take my wife and show how it was once, because that's where he studied. Okay, so why can't I take my wife, he thought, and he went to the ticket counter. He want to buy 2 tickets, okay, and he can buy only for one way, okay, he can't buy the return tickets. So he decided to buy, and he was asking that to the person who is there in the counter. Okay, by looking at the money what he is having in his hand, the person in the ticket counter is asking him, hey, is this a money? Are you trying to fool us? So like that the man asked. Okay, and why this man is talking like this, he thought, and he saw the cash drawer in which he could able to find the old currency, and he thought that, okay, this man might call police. So that's why he ran away from there, thinking that in those days the peasants were not nice enough, and he don't know how he came back. Okay, he used the way however he went in, it seems. That's how it has been told. And he informed this to his friend Sam Weiner, and what he did is, After he finished his office, the next day he went to bank, he withdrew the savings, that is he had $300, he withdrew that and he changed it into old currency. So on hearing to this, Sam as well as Louisa were much worried why this man is doing like this, and Sam was thinking about, is that worth that much? Okay, and Sam have heard about that place by Charlie. So naturally he started to think upon, and what happened is Charlie started to search for that third level, and actually Louisa was worried at first, but after few days we found both of them, that is Charlie and Louisa, searching for the third level. Okay, as if they trusted that such thing is existing. So what made them to believe that there is third level is because of Sam Weiner. So actually this man, that is Charlie, is having so many first day covers, okay, of his grandfathers. So among that he happened to find a letter which has been posted in 1894, okay, in the month of July. So in it, it is written like that: Charlie, look for the third level. It is really worth searching for, and I could able to enjoy being over here. I am going to attend party and I'm doing this and that. Like that, it is written over there in the letter, and it is signed as Sam the psychiatrist. And he went to the store where we can exchange this new currency into the old one. Charlie learnt that Sam has changed his $80 into old currency. So that is the evidence to know that this Sam Weiner have gone to the third level. By profession he is a psychiatrist, and in that world there is no need of psychiatrists at all, because it seems to be a peaceful world by that time. And what he can do, how he can earn, so he decided to have some business of hay or some grains, and that's why he changed this $800 into old currency to start up a business over there, because Sam is a psychiatrist who can't be a psychiatrist in that world. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. Thank you.